Today I am showing my sisters a dress of shirt. There are long hands and the part. The skirt is the front cut jean skirt and the bag is a frog's jaw. There is a back here. These are the models I wear in middle age. It's very milky. Well, today we're going to go into this template design. And to design this model, my sisters need to prepare the following measurement: shoulder transverse measurement, neck measurement, bust measurement, waist measurement, and butt measurement and waist length. I will have another number. The length. Hips. My hip here is that it will be equal to 18. Then we need to have those 7 measurements. Now I'm going to start with the design. The first is the shirt. The shirt is normal. I also used to guide. I give my sisters a lot. I will go today. Too fast. If you wear this shirt, you will wear a length of 55. Depending on the height of each person, you'll have the size of the shirt to match. After the body, if you are going to wear long clothes, you will save the gasoline version. Let it be. I made the button. Next, you will calculate. Take it from here for yourself. One segment is shoulder to shoulder. Multiplication is equal to 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 32 divided by 2, down to 4, which is equal to 16. If you take her and divide her by 30, 5 is equal to 6. It's 6 I connected to. Next, you'll take the lower part of the chest, divide by 5 and you add by 2. So 80 divided by 5 plus 2, we get 18. From the horizontal line up here you put the ruler. Write down is 18. And then I'll have the chest cross. Divide by 4 sister plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 gives me 22. I cut a line of 22. If you lower your waist, you will get 34 by the measure. At the waist, I will be the waist. Divide by 4 sisters plus 280 divided by 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. You measure 18. Then lower. Take your hips and divide them by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. You take a line that's 21. And then from here, you're up here. I connected to Ha. Two-way reverse perpendicular road construction. Split and half again. Then the shirt is down from here. Same neck to neck. I built a perpendicular line. Split in 2. And we'll get the collar here. After you have determined it. You'll get to gas. I painted the armpit line as 7 cups out. And reduce the pectoral portion into a gasoline and push the pectoral portion. Hip raw is 1. And I'm going to take this part as 2 millimeters of gasoline. The back of our body it's going to is the red one, the front body will be blue. We'll start cutting the body part. Then you'll cut it down this way. Red line. Red walk in red hands, red ribs and red hips ha. And this one is that I don't have seams. My sisters will cut the seams. Then I'll have the back and the front. I cut it like this, but I will adjust it. Later, you will arrange the part. Button of the body before raw, I cut it off. And then you'll cut it. Cut it down for this waist. This chest here is a centimeter of gasoline. This will be my back. Later, you will be given a reason, because this is the fabric. Double. After I get the back part, then you will do it. For the front body, I put this part in a gasoline. Then put it back in again. I'll cut along the blue line. Then it will belong to the previous dung. And I'm done with my waist down. You get this part of the body first. The reason for this is because I have to pieces. So now I'm going to draw for the hands and the neck. I measured the front armpit ring as 20. The back armpit line is equal to 2. The back neck is equal to 11. Previous neck is equal to 12. And now you're going to start. Design for the sleeve part. The sleeves will be long sleeves. We will go one way. Then we'll measure from top to bottom. It will be equal to the chest. Divide 10 plus for 5. That's 80 divided by 10 plus 5, that's 13. You'll measure from top to bottom 13. And then we build a perpendicular line. Then you'll take the armpit ring first. Equal to 20 plus the back armpit ring is 2, which is 41 divided by 2. 20 years. Then I put it in. 20 years is at the end. And the starting point is 0. Split in 2. We'll draw the armpit. Then you'll stretch it down. Here, that's the same as the door. My hand is 11. It's 5 glasses and it's a gasoline. Then we'll get the sleeve part. This is my sleeve, ladies. And I painted for the skirt. When I'm done, I'll go back and paint the collar. This is the dress. Made of jean fabric. As a first step, you will find your way. This way, I can save it. It doesn't have to be arranged. I took the long skirt. The long example here is 70. And then you go one way. Then we'll get the waist. Divide by 4 sisters plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is what we get. The 18 I got here is 18. Then you split in 2. Then measure down from here. It's the lower part of the waist, by the measure on my body ha. From waist to ass. I'll get this distance. I think it's equal to 18. Then you'll get your ass. Divide by 4 sisters plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now I want to split this into 2. I can go to part 7. Reduce this by gasoline. And this part you're going to come down to is a centimeter of gasoline. I'll connect this point here and I'll draw the side of the line. And from here, you'll cut the back. On this back, it's going to be 4.5 gasoline and from the back to the back. Here, you're going to back up to 8. I took down 7 gasoline. Then I'll get a part. Bag of frog stew here. Then you'll get the bag and this part will be the back. Then we're going to cut this off as the whole piece of the towel first. The next part of the towel you will do, follow the red line. From this point, you measure up to 2 millimeters of gasoline. I connected in, and then I put a square ruler in here. Then I'll hit my ass. Out against the front body butt is a gasoline. And we're going straight down. Then we'll get the body. Follow the blue line. Here and here, you will also draw. I'll also draw the side and will also cut off my back. It's 4.5 gasoline up here. The way I cut, it's the same as the body I cut before. Ha! The body first, you're going to cut it down this way. Follow the red line inside. And the back body is exactly the same as the model we're cutting. And I'm going to cut this blue line. That's it, for the brick part of the body. Now let's continue with the collar. This collar. I've measured the front neck and the back neck. That's right. Neck before and neck after a neck before me measured 12. After 11, I will be 23. Then you're passing by, so this is to buzz. From here, you can use 2 meters of gasoline. The part. The size of the neck leg. This is 2.5 inches. Then you'll be able to bend the necklace. Here. It's 2.5 inches from here to here. Then from here you measure up to 5 petrol. Let me connect to this 2.5 inch point. Split in 2. And then we're going to be able to draw the scabbard here. That's where we get the collar. You have cut off this shirt. We don't have seams. I also need to make sure that I am lucky. This one, it's just an antique sticker. Then we'll get the collar. Here, you fold it in and we'll get the shirt neck. I looked at the shape again. Of this a shirt. Then we'll get the neck. The dress part. Then the front body sleeve. This body later. Then you will look again. We will get it. Ah, the Arabic for this whole thing. Hello, thank you. See you all at the shows. Next time.